Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about financial services marketing. So what is mean by this financial services marketing? So it is all about service providing by the finance industry or finance industry. So when we say finance industry, it is all about managing the money. That is each and every person who are working, who are a housewife or who are a business person. So when they are getting money, it is the responsibility of this finance company to manage those monies in a proper way or in an effective way to uh, run the economic one. Okay. So there are various organizations where they will manage these
लेकिन
kind
उससे
of
ठीक ठाक हमको लगा.
money. Mohammed, please. Arif, can you please put? Yeah. So these are the organizations where they will manage the money. So some of the organizations are like banking sector, credit card company, insurance company, consumer company, finance company, stock brokerage, investment fund, some government who sponsors sponsor some money to some enterprises in such a way that they can get profit in the form of interest. So these financial services, which we are going to compare it or connect with the marketing mix components or elements. The first one is product. So in finance company, what is the product is, as I already told you in the beginning of our class, when I say services, the customer is expecting the benefit from this product. Okay. So when it comes to the finance company, the benefits which they are going to get it from the banking product is accounts, loans, certificate deposit, and commercial paper. So accounts, we know that like whatever the money they are having, they will encourage us to deposit in their account, their particular account each and every individual has. So at particular time or at particular level, the interest will be more. Okay, or they will add some interest in that. Loan. Suppose someone wants to buy some house. So if they are not affordable to buy it, in that case, they can apply for loan so that they can pay it in an installment process. Then we have a certificate deposit. So the certificate deposit, just a moment. As I was talking about certificate deposit, so certificate deposit are a kind of a certificate which will be provided by the banking sector when we are depositing a huge amount to the particular bank. Okay, and that deposit should be there in the bank for particular time or particular years. Okay, then it is like a promise to them that they are going to give back to them. Then commercial paper. Commercial paper is a kind of non-security paper. It is like it will be given in the form of a trust. For example, this kind of paper will be given by a bank, that is a higher bank or high level banks, to those people for a short period of time. For example, like in order to make some movie, they need a huge amount. So they will give this kind of commercial paper for a short period of time so that they can get with interest. And other products are like insurance product. So the insurance product is of a various kind, or they have a various schemes like life insurance, non-life insurance policy, and child plan insurance policy. So it is like for a particular year, they will ask them to deposit uh, in that company, so that this insurance will invest this kind of money to various other sectors. Okay, and they will get it in the form of interest. Then comes to price. So in price strategy, it becomes a important role because these people wants to get money from where they want to invest it. For example, like if they have given this in the form of loan, they will get it in the form of interest. fees or commissions. Okay, like if they are giving, or if they are referring to other people, then they will get in the form of a commission. Or like if they are paying lately, then they will get a fine. They will get a fees in the form of fines. Okay. So these price is mainly for motivating the people. I mean, this pricing technique are mainly they are using it in such a way that this insurance policy will be shown to those target people, or in mainly for those target person or the customers, in order to get interest from them. Okay, and also to provide interest to them. Next, we have places. So these places plays a very important role. Why? Because it is the way where this product should be distributed in a proper channel. Okay, for example, there are many banks are there, insurance companies are there. Okay, so where the money should be deposited, one is bank and another one is an insurance company. So from this bank, they have to manage the money in such a way that these people will get, or the customer should get interest from them. And how they have to get it from here, like how they have to enjoy that money by spending it, or how they have to fetch the money from it by means of an ATM, credit cards, and debit cards. Okay, so this is how the customer enjoys it in case if it is near to that particular location, or various branches of banks are being opened. Then we have a promotion. So promotion is all about how they are promoting their that is how they are promoting their this financial services. So here you can see that as I have mentioned here, advertising, publicity, sales, promotion, personal selling, word of mouth, promotion, internal selling, telemarketing. Okay, so these are the various techniques where they will use to promote it, but some of them I'm going to show you now. As you know that banking and insurance are playing a important role, or they are putting more advertisement in order to attract more customer, because they are not much aware about the banking rules and regulations and policy, or more benefits which are there inside the bank. So how they are promoting, we are going to see in detail. First one is home loan mela or property fairs. See, we know that State Bank of India, even they have implemented this promotion technique. One is home loan mela. It is like it's just like a job fair. They will just make a fairs in such a way that they will introduce lots of loans, like home loans, and then property fairs. Okay, and there are some more companies like ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. They will they have you know they have made a call center in such a way that they can guide and assist the customer in such a way that these people can buy the many insurance policies, and also they will encourage them to deposit in a particular bank. And also some of the other techniques of promoting it is the banks are tie-upping with many other companies. For example, life insurance, like uh, Maruti Suzuki is tie up with the Bajaj Alliance. That is one kind of insurance company which is connected with the Maruti car. So once the car is having any damage, the insurance company are the one who will pay back it. Okay, and other banking sector also connected with many mutual fund companies. Okay, like Kodak Mahindra, they are also having some mutual funds tie-upping with them. Okay. And other banks are also tie-upping with other, petrol pump. For example, in petrol pump, you can see near to that there is a ATM machines are there. The bank which is opening an ATM machine, so that the person or the customer can go to the ATM and they can fetch the money and they can pay it in a petrol tank. So these are the facilities they have been given to the customer in such a way that when the customer is using it, they should not feel any uncomfortability. Next, we have insurance company promotion. So how they are promoting the insurance companies by means of a personal selling. It is like making a call to each and every person and tell to them. Okay, and as I said, tie-upping with many banks, credit card companies, and automobile companies. Okay, so this promotion activity has been increased day by day, so that in order to create awareness about the benefits of the banking as well as the insurance company to the customers, so that they can enjoy the benefit which they are providing it. Then people see, those who are working in the banking sector or insurance sector, they have to face lots of difficulties in using the technology or the instruments which is inside the organization, because the software which they are using it is not an easy one. Okay, it is connected with lots of account session, ledger, assets kind of things. Okay, so they have to understand the concept and connect with the technology. That is the reason they have called it as a sophisticated technology. Okay, and when they are using this kind of sophisticated technology, they will be facing lots of stress. Okay, because when they are using this on a daily basis, then it will be like a pressure for them. So it is the responsibility of the management of a banking sector to handle this human resource in a right fashion by synchronizing the technology with a teamwork, so that they can have a personal commitment towards the organization. Then a process. So, see, this process is totally based on the guidelines given by a particular common center government body. Okay, so who are these government bodies? For banking sector, RBI is the main governing body. So through RBI guidelines, this banking sector and also uh, there is other, it is like private as well as nationalized banking sector, they are working on it. So by the instruction given by the RBI, these banking sectors are working, and they are that is generating more money from them. Okay, and another one is insurance. We know that RIDA, which is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. So based on this rules and regulation of IRDA, the insurance company is operating. So the process is all about some governing body is giving a guidelines to them, and they are operating or they are doing the process accordingly. Then physical evidence. See, this is like intangible things which we cannot see, because the benefit what the people are getting it is like a transaction is invisible to them. Okay, because everything is goes by online nowadays. Okay, but even though it is like intangible things, but many people are expecting a physical evidence which is a tangible things to them in order to make them feel satisfied that okay, their transaction is benefit for them. So some of the things are, it includes reports, that is the daily reports, punch lines, that is there are certain lines, what we call it as a punch lines, where you'll get each and every updated about their transaction. Okay, and what is the asset and liabilities, everything will be given to the people in such a way that they will get some update. And also there are certain dress codes are given to those people, especially internal customers, because they were very loyal to them for a long period of time. Okay, so in order to make them feel special, so some dress code they will be provided to them. Okay, so these are the various uh, services of financial marketing which the organization is provided in many forms.